What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.034, down 5% on the day, sitting a market cap of 242 billion. 24-hour volume, 208 million. Ladies and gentlemen, Bybit is now offering up to $30,000 in bonuses. You can sign up through my referral. I have a full-length tutorial that you can watch as well if you're new to trading. And you can email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord. Up to $30,000 in bonuses. Don't miss out. Top link in the comments. Let's hop into Gala Games. So this is what I'm looking at after our flash crash, is that we've pushed up in a wave 1. And this is a wave 2 pullback, but basically we need Gala to hold this low here, because if it starts to break down anymore, we're losing that strong level of support, and it would be a little bit less likely that this is a wave 2. But as of right now, we have bounced off that I'm just gonna take these out. These were just for something I dropped in the Discord. So far we've bounced off that level. So to push up in a wave 3, you want to see us start to put in a 5-wave structure, as each wave has 5 subwaves. So maybe you'd be looking for a wave 1, but this is pretty small. Potentially, let me just grab my brush. This could be like a really small wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, just to complete the subwave 1 of the wave 3. So I'll have to wait a bit to let this play out to see if we are going to see continuation and can start to count the subwaves to push up in a wave 3 that has a target all the way up here at 0.065 for our friend Gala Games. Now, if we zoom out a little bit and look at the daily chart, as you can see here, we may print a little bit of a bottoming tail candle. If we can push up a little bit and have a daily close, then you would consider that a bottoming tail, which is a bullish candlestick pattern. As you can see right here, we have bottoming tail, push back up right here, bottoming tails, push back to the upside. So we'll see what happens on the daily close, but basically we broke out, we had that flash crash, and now we're just kind of chilling within the falling wedge pattern here. So hopefully we can hold that support, because what I want to see is at least a little bit of a rally here for the price of Gala Games. Because if we do break down from this falling wedge pattern, you can measure the body, take it to your point of breakout. It can take you all the way down to 0.017, which is fine. I would load the bags. I'd be happy to load the bags. But personally, I was expecting a little bit more of a rally. I think we would have seen the rally to 0.053 if we didn't have the flash crash, because we were right here, and then you see a nice little push up to 0.053, but unfortunately we had basically a black swan. So Gala is just still chilling in the falling wedge pattern. So we'll see what happens over the next few days. Bitcoin has started to push up out of our wave 2 pullback zone. So hopefully we can maintain the push and see continuation to the upside, because if we do start to come down and we start to lose 19K, if we come down into the 18K range, more unlikely that this is a wave 2 pullback for Bitcoin, and that's when we can start to put in a lower low and focus on a more bearish wave count. But as of right now, we have bounced off that level. Binance just bought FTX. Looks like it caused a little pump in the market here. So if we can hold a 1-2 setup, we can push up in a wave 3. It all depends on Bitcoin, right? So I always update in the Discord with what's happening with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's only $10 a month, as well as you'll receive my trade signals. And in the short term for Gala, you need to bounce out of this falling wedge if we are going to see that continuation to the upside. And we have a nice little 1-2 setup, but if we do come down and start to lose this level of support, then it becomes less likely that this is a wave 2, and we'd have to be looking at a more bearish outlook for Gala Games. But as of right now, nice little bounce, so we'll see how it plays out. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the $10 membership, early access to my analysis, as well as my exact entries, access to take profits for my trades. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.